Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Lose Weight Without Cooking Skills. So I have this application over here, Meal Lime. So this will be available on the Google Play Store. And just simply open the application. And from here, just simply tap on Get Started. And from here, you should be able to see the features of the application itself. So now from here, pick your diet and you will have here multiple options. So let's say I'm gonna go for a classic one and select continue. And do you have any allergies? So just simply select one if you have. And is there anything about that you dislikes? So just simply select one if you prefer and tap on continue. And from here, how many servings per meal that you prefer? So let's say I'm gonna go for 2 servings and you can set a weekly reminder to remind you to make a plan. So pretty much this will be depending on you. For now, I'm gonna not gonna set up a reminder. And from here, just simply create an account if you prefer. But if you don't want that, you can just simply tap on skip on the top right corner. From here, you will have build your first meal plan. And from here, guys, you should be able to see here multiple meal that you could try. So pretty much it has multiple categories like top rated, super simple, quick and easy. So for example, I'm gonna go for the super simple over here. So you can just simply tap on this one and select add or plus. And from here, you can add as many as you can. And you can just simply select build plan when you are done. And from here, as you can see, this is just reviewing your plan and tap on build this meal plan. And from here, you will have the grocery list, guys. And when you go to the meal plan and you select the meal, as you can see, you should be able to see here your cookware, your ingredients, and the instructions of the meal. And you can just simply select start cooking. And from here, you will have the instructions on how to cook this meal. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.